Hello guys, let's mail it here, and I'm gonna show you how to download get hack Subway Surfers, any version, anytime. Yeah. So let's load this thing up. Okay. See, first I already jailbreak it, so right here. See, right here, you could already see that. So just go to Cydia. I know this is jailbreaking, and I'm gonna show you later how to jailbreak your phone or iPod or iPhone, anything, for free. Just go to sources. Yeah, just go to sources and type in this thing called rebel.byteyourapple.net and add the source. I'm not gonna add a source right now because it's not working. Now after you already add the source, just go to local app store. Right there. Like, yeah. But don't download that one, like with the spaces. Don't download the one with the spaces. So after you download that, you go to your settings. Go to your settings and scroll down and enable it. And after you did that, just go to your Subway Surfer and just press that. And I'm just gonna go to the sack of keys, and I'm gonna. So after you're done with it, just press cancel, and look at your thing. It grew, see? And let me make more right here. Now look at closely right here. Boom, see? It's 1,000, see? So let me just make it 1,000, and let's see. And boom, look at this closely. It's 133. That's more, yeah. So thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. Bye bye.